Okay, so basically to fix the display, it's basically some ribbons. There's a ribbon, an electrical ribbon that loses contact with the board. I've seen a lot of places get them replaced, but I already had a go at this, and I just gave it a temporary sort of fix, and it fixed nearly all of the issues. So I'm going to take it one step further and see if I can fix everything, but let's just take it apart and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Gotcha. So just take that out. Take that out. So that band comes off, and that's now loose. Let's do the other side. Okay, I might not mention, but this is a Blaupunkt Munchen RD 104. But the principle with bad LEDs is the same. Is this ribbon that there is an issue? So I got that off. Some smaller star ones here, so I'll take those off there. There's just a little plastic clip so it protects the card out. Just pull the bottom up of that, out it comes. And here is the ribbon, and these lose contact with the board and stop displaying at the front. So I've got an issue now. I fixed most of it just by, all I did was just run my hand along it like that, and it fixed nearly all of them. I had like about 6 of them, and there's one remaining, which left initially but popped back. So I'm just gonna open this up and see what it's like on the other side. Hopefully I don't destroy the thing, and just see if there's anything I can do. It seems to be about here, the issue with my display, so I'm going to assume it's around here that seems to be playing up. But anyway, I thought I'd just give it a bit of a look. I know people do take these off and replace them. I couldn't find a replacement, so I thought I'd just rub my hand over it and see. Anyway, I'll take that off. And I'm guessing what to take here, but there's some screws here, so we're going to just take them out. One. Tiny little black clips just here. Holding it here at the front. Just gonna get the light in. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so there's a display there. It's this display here, which is probably going to keep clean. So that's the ribbon. And my issue is, at the moment, if that goes on like that, and my issue is here somewhere. Probably see it sort of bulges out a little bit here along the edge, sort of comes out and down, so that just needs to be stuck down better or just impressioned better. Give it a gentle little the issue might be along this bit, but I just don't think it is. So I'm pretty sure you could take that out somehow, peel that up, and then get a new one and re-stick it, or re-stick this one. But I'm reluctant to do too much because I've got a 90% working screen, so I'm just going to give it a bit of a rub, and I'd like to get some glue in there just to hold it down. I'm pretty sure that's how it's meant to go, like that. I reckon there's meant to be like a clip or a push thing there that holds it, squeezes it together. Okay, so I've taken that off, and you can sort of see that light tan coloured ribbon that's holding it on. So to keep the pressure down, I don't think bending it over is going to make any difference. I was going to glue it to it tightly so it kept pressure it down, but I think it might work. I'll get some glue in. Okay, so the aim is to keep tension on this cord. I'm not sure why that's stuck, but at worst I've given it a bit of a bend and an imprint. I think it's stuck a bit. So it's just got a bit of tension to hold these down. So I sort of pushed it over. Now whether this is right or wrong, I'm no electrician or electrics bloke, as you can well gather. A bit of a cowboy actually. So don't do this if you want to save your radio. But it's definitely like taken off the loose bit at the end here, so whenever I've done, I've folded it over better. Let's chuck it back together and see what it looks like in the car. Now one's going to last for a bit. Okay, so got it back in, and I have a proper display without any lines in it. Probably that's to go with my little Bluetoothy thing. So yeah, that's now the gluing it on didn't fix it. What I did was I ran my nail across the top and just pushed it down, and that seemed to do it. Now, whether the glue helps hold it, I don't know, but I'm glad I did it or fixed it a bit anyway, because I really want to try to keep the original radio. Thanks.